तो आप क्या चूज करना चाहेंगे? Forget everything and run, सब कुछ भूल जाके भाग जाना, या face everything and rise? So that is the new definition of fear. You face everything and rise. Okay, so what is that? So the first thing that we need to become is a veer. We need to become a warrior that confronts not outer fears but inner fears. So forgive your parents, forgive people who have hurt you, and most importantly, forgive yourself. So living in the present is accepting the gift. So that is what in Buddhism they say mindfulness. If you are pondering over the future or thinking or reflecting on the past, you can never be happy. So present is a gift, take it. So we can't catch that through our five sense organs. They are our divine knowledge, that is Krishna. So Challa means to pacify negative qualities, Abhishek is to offer positive qualities. Okay? So this presents a four-stage emotional evolution cycle. Awareness, acceptance, regulation, transformation. Fear is unprocessed information. Fail, F-A-I-L. What is fail? First attempt in learning. So fear is something that has to be confronted and conquered. Ego creates illusion. Pain is part of growth. Change is constant. अगर आप रहे या ना रहे, ये धरती चलता ही रहता है, समाज चलता ही रहता है, कुछ नहीं रुकता. If the egg breaks from inside, life is born. If the egg breaks from outside, it's broken from outside, life is born. So the change has to come from inside. So you have to replace anger with what? Shraddha or saburi. So replace jealousy with appreciation. Replace greed with contentment. If this is under our control and if this is happy, no matter what happens to this, you can always be happy. There are cancer patients who always have a smiling face. How? Because they have won over this. So emotional intelligence is not just a skill, it is inner sadhana. Big ears. Big ears मतलब ज़्यादा सुनो और स्मॉल माउथ मतलब कम बोलो. हम क्या करते हैं? ज़्यादा बोलते हैं, कम सुनते हैं. चूहे को पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है. ऐसे ही अपने सोच को पकड़ना भी मुश्किल है, राइट? सो चूहा मतलब डिजायर, चूहा मतलब सोच. सो गणेश जी चूहे को अपना वाहन बना चुके हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है? चूहा उनके कंट्रोल में है. तो डिजायर्स और अपना थिंकिंग, अपना थॉट्स आपके कंट्रोल में होना चाहिए. फॉर एवरी प्रॉब्लम यू हैव अ सॉल्यूशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ हिरण्यकशिपुस इन आवर माइंड who are thinking that there is no solution to your problem, but there is a solution. That is what Lord Narasimha has shown us. That is Varaha Narasimha. So first obliterate your ego, obliterate your negativity, and then Bhagavan will lift you into higher consciousness. Close your eyes. Imagine that your mind is the ocean, the Pala Samudram. Your focusing now, that is Mandara, Mount Mandara, on your breath. Focus on your breath. The breath is master. So when you are focusing on your breath, you get two types of thoughts. One positive thoughts, the other negative thoughts. So your mind is churning, your breath is churning, and it is trying to shift its focus from positive and negative thoughts. Breathe in and breathe out and focus on your breath. You understand which thoughts are important. And for that, you need Purna, which is stability, patience and grounding. When your mind is stable and grounded and filled with patience, so automatically when you churn, poison won't come. What will come? Amrit. Dhanvantri has emerged with Amrit. What is that Amrit? that Amrit is Satchidananda, Sat Chit Ananda, Satyam Chaitanyam Ananda, truth, consciousness and eternal happiness. जीनेन्द्र इंद्रियों पर विजय प्राप्त करने वाला जीनेन्द्र। तो हमारा जो इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम्स है वो एक्चुअली हमें वर्शिप या रिचुअलिस्टिक बनाने के लिए नहीं मोटिवेट कर रहा है, वो एक्चुअली हमारे माइंड पे इफेक्ट डाल रहा है ताकि हम अपने बेस्ट वर्जन्स बने। Our Indian knowledge systems is not a ritualistic system, it is a mind system. It focuses only on your mind, how to make your mind better. 5 sense organs, mind and body. So सूर्य भगवान किसको कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं? अपने सेंसेस को। Dog loyal है, mind devoted है। Dog can be trained, mind can be disciplined. So in every religion, be it Christianity, be it Hinduism, be it Buddhism, be it Jainism, be it Islam, be it Zoroastrianism, in every religion, the main thing that was focused is mind. If the kingdom of God is within you, why are you searching in the heavens? Search inside.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe, we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. We are not afraid today. When the heart is satisfied, the world is sufficient.
वजन तो सिर्फ हमारी इच्छाओं का है, वजन तो सिर्फ हमारी इच्छाओं का है, वरना जिंदगी तो बिल्कुल हल्की फुल्की है। Because be the change you wish to see in the world. So सीता जी मतलब सीता मतलब आपका मन, शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर राम। जब मन को अपहरण किया जाता है, किसने अपहरण किया? दशानन, जो नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज, जो 10 नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज है, तो उसने अपहरण किया। जब आत्मा दुखी होती, तब हनुमान जी के सहायता। हनुमान जी मतलब क्या? वायुपुत्र। वायुपुत्र मतलब आपका सांस। जब भी आप टेंशन में है, जब भी आपका माइंड घूम गया है, तब आप आंखें बंद करके just focus on your breath. Then all the negative qualities will fade away. And राम और सीता यूनाइट हो गए। और अयोध्या का मतलब क्या है? अयोध्या मतलब जो पराजित नहीं हुआ, जहां पर युद्ध नहीं होगा, वो अयोध्या। सो सभी का एक अंतर्लीन अर्थ है। तो अगर उस इंट्रिंसिक मीनिंग पे हम फोकस करेंगे, अंडरस्टैंड रामायण through your mind to what is happening in you, physiologically, psychologically, emotionally, and mentally. An everlasting smile, a smile can bring you near, to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story. Now, my love, you think that I don't even need a single word I say. The only thing that I have is words to change your life. सिर्फ शब्दों से ही मैं आपके जीवन को बदल सकता हूँ। Right? I don't have anything else. I only have words to change your life. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. So he won Nobel Prize in Literature for Gitanjali. And the poem that we just narrated is from Gitanjali. Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Aparigraha, Anekantava. So Satya matlab truth, Ahimsa matlab non-violence, okay? Asteya matlab Asteya, not stealing. Aparigraha matlab non-possessiveness. Anekantava matlab accepting many truths. तो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब। ठीक है? Thank you so much. Thank you. That's it. Thank you.
I'm sure that all the persons now have a better understanding of their own emotional evolution cycle and the structural path for emotional transformation. Through his inferences and symbolism, he had guided us to how to become a guardian of our own awareness by being disciplined and loyal to a higher power. Now, may I request the commanding officer to felicitate the speaker with a unit crest as a token of appreciation.
So the lecture that we just heard was so insightful, and for me the personal key takeaway was the example that he gave about a person, a swimmer with no limbs. So if the mind is strong, no training, no act is difficult. That's for me a personal takeaway. I'm sure each one of you must be having a takeaway from this lecture. The idea was that how do we train our mind? How do we control our mind? If not, at least we know that this thing is possible, and then we can work towards it. So Dr. Abhishek, I thank you very much for taking time out from your schedule. You made time from your schedule to speak to us, and on behalf of Vishwakarma, I thank you for that.